Hi, I'm Mark Miller, the owner of Right Line Trading. I want to show you our AI auto trader and really specifically our Leapfrog and our Leapfrog technology. And I also want to show you how to get your prop accounts connected up to our system to NinjaTrader platform. So let me kind of show you what a little bit around the screen here, what you're looking at. So I'm trading the NQ. It's the Nasdaq 100 on the futures, and that's the market that we're trading here on this chart. And what I'm looking at an 8 Unarenko chart. So it's really 8, 40, 60. If you buy our system, all that comes with it, the whole chart, all the different indicators in the setup. In fact, we do a full white glove install. So if you buy our system, we get it fully installed for you. We do a screen share and get you all set up and rolling. Today, we're setting a new record, a new daily profit record. Looks like the Leapfrog, as long as it can hang in there another 30 minutes. We're about 30 minutes away from the 4 o'clock bell. These are automated, fully automated bots, so they shut themselves off at 3:59 and 30 seconds. So it'll be shutting itself off here shortly, in about 30 minutes. But I'm in this right here. I've got 6 prop accounts that I'm trading to from the Leapfrog, passing through our best bot technology. So on this tab right over here, we got our best bot technology, and it's using the Leapfrog. So again, the Leapfrog's really crushing it here today. It's up 9,700. Our second strategy is 8,300. So the power play is right behind it. But so what we've got is, I think it's 5 NQ strategies that we got running on the markets. And the best bot is just going to take on the winner. So right now the Leapfrog's winning, so the best bot's using it. And that's what I use to trade all my prop accounts. I don't even move them anymore. I just let the system automate whatever one is winning into my prop accounts. And then, fingers crossed and everything goes right. The one that's winning will keep on winning. And that's what's been happening here today. Man, I've really run up the score. In fact, this has been a really significant 3 days in a row where I've eclipsed $30,000 in profit. In fact, on these, I think it's about 8 PA accounts here. I'm up about 12 or $14,000 here today, and those are all PA accounts here. Those are all funded, they call them, and so should be able to get a nice payout here real soon. It only takes 5 days, so you don't have to wait forever. You just need to get and these are the all $100,000 accounts. So the market's been moving so nicely. I've pushed another 5 over the limit here today. That's 6,000 to get them over their limit from an eval to a funded account. So I pushed 5 more over today, and then I went and bought 5 more. I was like, man, thank goodness Apex started doing that 5-pack. It makes it really easy to get 5 more. So I've got 5 more working here. Started at 0 again not too long ago. I'm up 1,200. I've got them all working here on this Leapfrog. So the Leapfrog, as it takes trades, and right now we're in a narrow band here, so it's not trading, which is really good. It's got a pivot above. These red dashed lines mean price is rejected up there, and a pivot down below, which means price is rejected here. So as long as it stays in that zone, it doesn't take a trade. If it'll pop out of either one of these, more than likely, there's other filters. It's got to have we call it the 20 Unarenko, some other things in here that have to make sure that before it takes the entry, but that's what's stopping it right now. And I want to show how to get your data connected. So let's say you buy our system. We're a full white glove install, so we can jump on your machine, get it all installed for you. And if you want to get the several different accounts, like I've got my live account from NinjaTrader Brokerage connected. I've got my funded futures. I've got Apex. I've got Tradeify. Sound like a drunk sailor. Anyways, I've got a lot of them connected here, and that's what I'll show you right here. So to get okay, so we just took a short trade. I've got this short trade active here, right here in this trade copier. Down here in the trade copier, we're trying to go short. On the market. We're up about 200, about 300 now, and we'll see it reflect over here. So if we started the broadcast, we're I think about 11 or 1,200 apiece. We'll kind of see how it goes here. So we're up pretty nicely now. We got a $400 trade across them. Here we go. And we got the Leapfrog pop down. Okay, we got a little bit of action there. We got about a $400 trade on that move. So we got about a $400 trade on that move. That's a message saying that the market is moving so fast that it tried to move the stop down and it couldn't get it there before the market plugged the hole. But it's all good there. We'll get that thing rolling. So the leapfrog's setting a new record, new daily profit record. It's up about $10,000 now. Previous record was probably around 8,000. So big time new record today. And let me kind of show you how to get a connection. So let's say you went and bought an Apex Trader funding account, and these are the Rhythmic Trader Pro accounts. Oh, wow, look at that meltdown. So these are Rhythmic Trader Pros. So what you do, let me start with the first thing. The first thing to do to get a multi-provider account set up is you go into Tools. This is the first thing that you would do. You go into Tools and you want to click this box right here, this multi-provider, very important. So it means that you're going to connect multiple connections, and I constantly have multiple going here. So the second thing you do now, say you bought an Apex Trader funding account, and we loaded you up with our software, and you now want to get it configured with your Apex account. You go into Configure. You pick this one right here, the Rhythmic for NinjaTrader Brokerage. So you left click that, and then you click Add. And it brings it down in here to the configured box, and over here you add the credentials. So I'll open up Apex Trader Funding dashboard and show you how to find your username and password. I'll show you how to use Apex right here. So when you log into Apex, you go to the dashboard. And then once in the dashboard, you see your Rhythmic account connection. So that's your username. I just select it and then do Control C. I put my username there, and here's your password. So that's the password for all those accounts. And then you select the system, you select Apex there. And then I usually rename it. And then I would hit apply. Because I already have one, I'm not going to do that here in front of you. So that's how you connect these Rhythmic Trader Pro Apex accounts. Let me show you how to connect the My Funded Futures. So for My Funded Futures, you go to Configure. This one you pick NinjaTrader. So this one you pick NinjaTrader. You pick Add. And now here, we go to My Funded Futures, and okay, so once you get logged into My Funded Futures, your username and password will live right along your account. So right as you check out your account, you click copy there. So there's your username and password. And now down here at the bottom, so I'm just going to copy my password now. Down here at the bottom, you leave that simulation. Okay, so then you would hit apply. So now you would be connected to your My Funded Futures account. And now, let's say you have a real live NinjaTrader brokerage account, which I have here too. So for a live NinjaTrader brokerage account, you pick NinjaTrader. You pick Add again. This time you use your username and password that you use to sign in with your NinjaTrader software. So whatever you use to sign in with your software for NinjaTrader 8, you put that there. And then here you pick live. So my NinjaTrader brokerage account is my username, my password to log in, and then live. So that's kind of how you connect those three systems. And now you can, to enable them, you just scroll up and you just left click on the name. You just left click on the name. It's not really intuitive to do that, but for me to get my NinjaTrader brokerage account, I actually have it trading on another computer above me, so it'll kick it off that account. But you would just click left click on this, and it will take about, I don't know, 1 to 3 5 minutes to enable and get the chart all up and rolling for you. So that's kind of how you get the communication configured for Apex, my funded futures, or a live NinjaTrader brokerage account. So if you haven't joined us here at Right Line Trading, I recommend you highly to jump in the ring here with us. We are setting a new record here today, and I've pulled a lot of money out of the market lately. I've lost a little bit of my 401k, but I've made it up here big time on these Apex Trader funding accounts and my funded futures. I think I'm up on that my funded futures here too in the background. Yeah, my funded futures, I'm up 2 grand too. So again, the bot's in here just doing its thing. It's just taking trades for me. I'm just kind of watching it and making sure that it closes trades properly. And if it doesn't, I have to then left click over here. I just grab a shift down and then right click, and you can pull the working orders and exit position. So that takes you out of the trade. You hit OK. You'd hit OK, and then it exits the trade for you if somehow it gets hung up or whatever. But if you haven't jumped aboard yet, come on aboard. We have quite a few members joining us here on a regular basis. So jump on our website at rightlinetrading.com. I'll put a link in the description down below. Thanks again for watching the video. Good luck trading, guys. Bye now.